India, we were desperately wanting to buy a new laptop for us, laptop for our work purpose.
Our laptop had become quite old. It was due for replacement. We were quite confused what to do, whether to buy a laptop in India or whether to come to Australia and buy. We made a good decision by buying a laptop over here in Australia.
If we would have bought a laptop in India and then got it here, there would have been so much problem, like if the piece was defective, or even the charging point is different of India.
Yes.
Australia, it is different.
Well, of course, you have international warranty for laptops, but I don't know how it works.
We thought of going ahead and buying a new laptop here in Australia itself. So hello guys and welcome back to my channel RT Vlogs. Welcome to another video, another day. And today we are going to talk about how we bought our brand new laptop here in Australia.
So guys, when we started doing research about what laptop to buy, we had a couple of options in mind.
So our first preference was buying a MacBook Pro.
So we even went to an Apple store and tried to check out what kind of options we have. However, the basic version of MacBook Pro was starting at $1,999, which is almost $2,000. Well, in this basic version, all you would get was 1.4 GHz, Wi-Fi, 8 GB memory, 256 GB SSD. Well, this was a pretty basic laptop in that rate, and we were not happy with these specifications because we required something better.
Mainly because the files are heavy of
Yes.
graphic designing and also video editing software. So this laptop would have not supported.
As the file gets heavier, you know, the laptop may take some time to process them.
Because you use multiple software, the
Absolutely.
files could get more heavy.
Yeah. So we came across two other options. Rather, we would save one option. The laptop which we bought was never in our list, but stay tuned to know how we ended up buying this laptop.
So we had gone to JB Hi-Fi store, which is a very popular store here in Australia where you get all the necessary gadgets that you want. Everything like hard disk, pen drives, everything you get.
Yes. TVs also.
TVs, yeah.
All
electronics basically.
items,
yeah.
yes.
So we had gone to this store, we checked out, we did our research.
ये $34 का है. This is for $39. I guess IKEA में भी 29-30 it was.
Maybe, I don't know, I don't remember.
ये हमें cheap मिला. Extension board in IKEA is little cheaper.
3499.
This price is only for 5 days.
This is
Router. 189.
First laptop that we had in our mind was Dell XPS 15.
However, the rate of this laptop was quite high and it was not really fitting in our budget. So it was going about $2,000 range.
Yeah, we thought that we would get some discount at
Yeah.
JB Hi-Fi, but then unfortunately it was out of our budget again.
Thought of exploring other options and we came across this other laptop which was HP Omen Valkyrie, and we were quite satisfied with all the specifications of this laptop. It was in our budget.
Similar also to
Yes.
the Dell XPS 15.
Yes, however the processor was not Intel, it was rather AMD Ryzen 7 processor. So the specification of this laptop were AMD Ryzen 7 4800H, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD. The most important thing was it was giving us quite a good graphics card, which was NVIDIA 4 GB of RAM. Laptop was also costing us $1,997. We had already decided that we are going to buy this laptop.
But unfortunately,
It was not in stock.
Stock.
अभी फ़िलहाल तो दिमाग घूम रहा है, कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है. जो हमें लैपटॉप पसंद आया वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है. He should have told us before only, right?
we asked everything. We
Yes.
asked every detailed thing. We did our research. We spoke to that person. You know, what are the features?
Yes.
What is the price? How much discount can you give us? Everything. All
We
set
were
to
ready.
pay the amount, and he told us that it's not available.
So we're looking for another option.
We were in need of a good laptop actually. We anyhow wanted to buy a laptop on that same day. There was one more similar laptop which was Asus, almost the same specifications with the same price. So are you excited for your new laptop?
Yes.
ओके इसके लिए भी हमें लेना था कि इधर बिकॉज
इसके लिए मेजर इसके लिए हमें यहाँ से लेना
Yeah.
था ऑस्ट्रेलिया से लैपटॉप, a proper gaming laptop. I don't like the logo and all, but it's fine. Girls usually don't like such things, but yeah, but it's okay.
तो ये है इसका नीचे का पार्ट, इतने बड़े बड़े फैंस हैं नीचे.
laptop looks quite sturdy. This Asus comes with 15.6-inch HD display. It has the same AMD Ryzen 7 processor with almost the same NVIDIA graphics card, 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. The difference between Asus and the HP was the build quality. The Asus build quality was quite good compared to HP. So as far as Ryzen processors are concerned, they are in competition with Intel and they are better in performance compared to Intel processors, both battery wise as well as cost wise. Well, the Asus build quality is strong and it is rigid compared to HP. The keyboard is also rigid.
It has a nice and modern finish, and the keyboard also has a nice colorful background.
Trackpad is okay, it is not so good, not so bad.
The speakers are quite loud and the sound quality is also good.
And the cooling fans, they are quite big. So this was a brief about this laptop and we were quite happy with this laptop. It was serving a purpose and it was giving us those specifications which we required for editing heavy files and also for graphic designing.
So far I have been using this laptop and there are no issues as such that I have come across, and it's working quite good. That's good. So this laptop was our first major expenditure in Australia and will always be remembered. And we were very excited to get it home. We soon started using it and our experience was pretty good. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for such more videos. Till then, bye and take care.